FFIE stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Faraday Future Intelligent Electric stock sitting at $2.37. It's 25% down, which is a very significant decrease in price. Now, before I did digging this deeper, I've done 34,000 videos, spent thousands of dollars in course mentorships over the last 4 years, and I've documented everything. With FFIE specifically, all I really wanted to see is a proper shift towards the upside in order for me to buy, and this is why I have this in red, because without this double break, there's no way that I'm capitalizing on this black line, right? And I never got it. Now, the same thing would count for the lower time from here. I'm talking shifts above this high and then double break. But again, I'm only really going to buy if I actually see those shifts. I mean, if I don't, then I would just not care. So that's how FFIE looks like. Boom. In the meantime, all I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. And of course, if the price breaks these lows first and we just fill in some gaps, then this is going to be deleted and I'll keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.